So today I'm going to be starting something new. So I'm going to be starting to make monthly outlooks. So we're going to go check that out and see how it works out. And as you can see, we're going to be doing our monthly outlook, like I said. So let's get into it right now. Anyways, as you can see, this is today, the 30th of October. We're just going to be doing all of November in this weather model. It is called the CPS, I think. Let's see. Yep. No, the CFS. So this is kind of like an off-brand of the GFS. Only difference is this is a very, very long range like weather data. This will probably not be correct. Disclaimer: this will not be correct whatsoever. I believe it probably will not be. All honesty, I would say up until about 7 or more days out, it's probably be very incorrect. But as you can see, today is the 30th of October. Like I said, I'm doing all of November. So let's get into it right now. And if I'm incorrect, then I'm incorrect. Anyways, let's get into this. As you can see, this is the 31st, the Halloween. As you can see, a little bit of snow showers hanging out towards Wisconsin and Minnesota. Nothing going on over there. Couple of rain showers over towards North Carolina. Nothing much going on over there. The bottom over here towards the screen, as you can see, there's a little bit of a system hanging out over here. Nothing much, but as we put this out in motion, it kind of does turn into like a little bit of a nor'easter. Only difference is it's not going to be the case. It's going to be way out towards the shore, so it's going to be pretty much nothing. So if we put this out even further, this is the second. As you can see, there's a little bit of a storm hanging out towards Washington and Oregon. This is interesting. And this could potentially bring some potential severe weather. As you can see, cold air is still lingering up towards the northeast and the northern plains. Until the system comes, there's really going to be nothing really, just a couple rain showers. Then another big blob of a system hanging out towards the west and kind of does nothing. Ooh, but wait, there's a little bit more snow out towards the Rockies, as well as rain showers, maybe potentially some severe weather, which is the 9th. This is the 9th, so we can see some severe weather out this far. Like I said, this is the 9th, so this is 9 days out already. Actually, more than that, 11 days out. So you can see we're probably already going to start seeing some inaccurate data. So if we push this out even further, as you can see, it looks like it could be a potential severe weather event. As you can see, this is November 10th. As you can see, you can see all this warm air being sucked up into the north and all this cold air being downward. So, you know what that means? This could be some potential severe weather. This is pretty interesting, right? Anyways, it becomes a big, giant blob of rainfall. As you can see, like I said, this could pose a lot of severe weather if it's possible. So, as you can see, it's be extending down here towards Florida, all the way up into the Ohio Valley area, and as well as up towards Michigan. And a little bit of snowfall as well, so something to keep in mind. A little bit further out, as you can see, it's just a big giant blob out towards the northeast, and snowfall on the backside of the Ohio Valley areas, as well as the Great Lakes region. And if we look out towards the west coast, there is a little bit, just a little something over there towards Washington and Oregon. And if we play this even further, you can see a little bit of snow over towards the northeast. This is already like the 13th, so this is all the way out pretty far. And as you can see, another little system coming into the west coast, as well as another system over here towards the south. So that's pretty interesting. And as you can see, a little bit more snowfall out towards the Rockies. And as you can see, there's a little bit of rainfall and snow showers over here towards the Ohio Valley, towards northeast Ohio, as well as down towards eastern Carolinas and parts of northeast Florida. So that's definitely something to look at. And as well as a little bit of snow showers out here towards the west coast. As you can see, snow showers, rain showers becomes in the system. Once again, this is the 18th. So this is very far out. This is close to Thanksgiving. So we can see maybe a Thanksgiving system. It's possible, but I doubt that's going to happen because it's so far out. Anyways, as we put this out in motion even further, you can see just a giant blob of rainfall, potential severe weather. As you can see, if you notice, it's a lot darker too. So that means we can see a lot more thunderstorms and a lot of cold air on the backside of it. So a lot more snow potentially as well. As you can see, the big system pretty much just weakens into nothing and pretty much just posing a couple of rain showers for the most part. And then, oh, we got a little system hanging out over here towards maybe a potential tropical system down here towards the Gulf Coast area. I doubt to be a tropical system, but it's going to be a system of some sort. It's probably be a potential northeaster as it goes up. As you can see, it is not really posing much of a threat other than just going out towards the east. So maybe potentially a tropical system, but this is all the way out into November. If we look back from last year with Hurricane Nicole, definitely something could happen with that. But like I said, way too far out. And I'll have to make like another updating video as time comes. But obviously, way too far out. Anyways, as you can see, we have another little system hanging out in the Ohio Valley area, the central Mississippi River Valley as well, over towards Tennessee and Kentucky area, and then as well as a little bit of snowstorm over towards New York, Vermont, the Northeast areas, and a little bit of rainfall extending all the way down towards Louisiana. This is going to be the 29th of November, so you got another month until this happens, which I doubt. Yeah, I absolutely doubt that's going to happen. And as you can see, we go out a little bit further. You can see maybe a little bit of a snowstorm. Yeah, a little bit of a snowstorm, as well as a couple snow showers out towards the Rockies, as well as rainfall. So something to keep in mind. And a little bit of a larger snowstorm heading towards Michigan, Chicago area, right around that area, and Green Bay area, as well as a little bit of rain showers, not snow showers, rain showers, right towards Arkansas and Missouri. That's interesting, isn't it, right? And it looks like that is the furthest that the model goes. And before I go, I am gonna check out what is going on with our climate prediction center. I'm gonna see if I can try to zoom this in a little bit further, if you guys can see the West Coast. So the monthly temperature outlook. This was issued on October 19th, so this was about almost 2 weeks back. And as you can see, we are expected to have above average temperatures out here towards Florida, Mississippi, Alabama area, as well as over here towards Arizona, New Mexico area. And as you can see, it's just well above average out here towards Arizona area and extending just a lot of warm air. This is not really supposed to happen for El Nino. The thing is, this is not even close to winter yet whatsoever. Not even close. So, still got time. Anyways, as you can see, this warmth extends from Florida all the way up towards Washington State and just equal chances up here towards the Ohio River Valley Midwest and parts of the Rockies and the Northeast, parts of Mid-Atlantic as well. Really nothing else as well. And obviously, if you look at Alaska, northern Alaska is supposed to be above average, which that's kind of odd for November. And then if we go over here towards our monthly precipitation outlook, below average up here towards the UP of Michigan, parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. That's going to be pretty much the only below area as well as a little bit of Alaska. And well above average, Florida, and over here towards the mid-Atlantic regions, down towards the southern plains, and obviously up towards northern Alaska. And that is pretty much all the weather that I got for this month. I might see you guys in a sooner video. I'll have to see what happens. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. That way you guys do not miss the latest information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.